Are you tired of experimenting with local advertising media and finding that nothing works? Are you tired of paying a premium for print media that reaches too many people who will never do business with you because you are too far away? Do you need quality marketing solutions that are priced reasonably for your small or medium-sized business? Then discover AdCorp. AdCorp provides businesses with an innovative way to reach tens of thousands of potential customers right in their own neighborhood. Outsmart your competition, don't outspend them. Our concept is based on 3 simple principles that separate ad campaigns that fail from those that are successful. 1. Exposure. Get your ad seen or heard. 2. Repetition. Get your ads seen a lot so that your customers will think of your business first when they have a need for your product or service. 3. Targeting. Get your ads seen by the people most likely to use your product or your service. Consider this. It's a fact that your local supermarket is the one place, in fact, the only place in your entire marketing area that everyone has to go. It's a fact that AdCorp products, shopping cart ads, market information, center signage, and our ad benches offer your business guaranteed exposure since shoppers have no choice but to see your ad. It's a fact that the average person will visit the supermarket 2 to 3 times per week and spend an average of 45 to 60 minutes at the store with no choice but to see your ad over and over and over. It's a fact that we can reach your customers since you get to pick the supermarket that will display your ads. Think about it. Exposure, get your ad seen. Plus repetition, get your ad seen a lot. Plus targeting, get your ad seen by the right people equals increased business. Supermarket advertising offers more exposure to more people more often for a greater length of time and for less money than any other local advertising media that you can buy, guaranteed. AdCorp is a privately held media company and the foremost provider of supermarket advertising in the New York metro area. We offer prominent signage across diverse formats in most of the major supermarkets in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, and across the nation through strategic partnerships with other industry leaders. AdCorp personnel are the heart of our organization, and our commitment to quality and high standards is the key to our success. From sales to customer service, from graphic design and production to professional installation, we are a customer-focused company. Whether you are a startup company looking for an innovative and cost-effective way of branding your business, or an established business interested in growing market share in an increasingly competitive environment, AdCorp can help. AdCorp, marketing that just makes sense. Call us to check on rates and availability in your area.